Good afternoon, ma'am. This is experiment number 7, MongoDB for Advanced Database Management System Lab. In this lab, we are going to discuss about the MongoDB commands and let's see the following. We are going to use MongoDB for the database creation and the collections and the aggregation functions and import and exports. And MongoDB is an open source document database and reading a NoSQL database. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. And then it is having a collections is documents and everything so on. And we see some so to create a database we use use database name to create a database and this is the syntax for create collection and the db.create collection is the database which we created and to insert this db.collection name insert the document and to display the db dot the collection name dot pretty uh, to display the result in a formatted way we are using pretty and to update we are using the collection db collection name to update this is update and the criteria which we are going which we want to view and let's see some of the these are the aggregated functions so group and id grade and out all the things we need to mention in that um, query and let's see here some of the outputs some we have executed and here we have one customer table and in customer table we are having one um, and this first question is to create database so create database is we are creating so the command is create that company and we are using that first will become all the attributes and the varchar string whatever we need to give we should give and here we have created a database and to switch to the db we are using that use company this is our db and this is create a collection called customer so we are going to create a collection called customer so that is why we are writing the command dot create collection that customer and to insert this db dot for this is our db inside that we are going to insert so insert and this is attribute and the value attribute value for all things we have given and we have inserted the row and insert a document into the customer collection with only two fields. So in normal insert, we need to give all the attribute at the same time. We cannot give one reduce or one more than. But here in MongoDB, we can insert the value for either any fields in between, not full command, not it's a little bit easier and this is insert a document into the customer collection with new fields age so we are going to add a new field age and date of birth for that this into the customer we are adding age and date of birth so this one value is inserted and insert a document into the customer collection with the new field hobby now we are going to insert a hobby so now the value is inserted and to display we are using the command find so inside for find for the customer so we have displayed it displayed all the values which we are inserted into the customer table database and it is neatly formatted so we are using the pretty command so this find is to display the values which we are inserted and the pretty is to display it in a neatly formatted way and this is to update we are using so update that attribute with what you are doing so set this is this postal code as this number and upset is true so it will be up updated. And display whose age is, so display find is the command. For inside that we are going to give that age is above 40. So we are age is our attribute name. So this is the grid gt is greater than 40. It ability is to display it in the formatted way. And now who the customer who is living in a Middletown, so that same way we are going to display it. So the city, so this is equal, city is equal to Middletown, and this formatted way we are going to display it. And this is display whose name is Mary's with the same to display C name. This symbol is equal to this is Mary's with we are going to display, and the command is executed and it is displayed. And likewise we are here the hobby is dancing, for that customer name we are displaying. And we are finding a minimum among all the customers, so we minimum, so min age we are finding, and from the min age we are finding the customers, and our average value we are finding, so total average we are finding. And this is sort, so we need to display also, we need to sort according to the name in a neatly manner. So this is the command to execute it. And we need to display only customer name and city without displaying id field. So we need to display what only customer name and customer city, not id. So only the customer name and customer city is not the id is displayed. And displaying all the upper cases, so we are using the aggregating, and we are to upper we are converting. So this is our command. And this is the database whose customers end with n, so customer name end with n. So this is the syntax, and to display it in a neatly manner we are using 30. And the customer name should be start with j. So inside this exponential is to display it, to take that the name should be start with j. And only two documents, so limit is 2 we are giving. And displaying last, so this is also limit 3. So thus the MongoDB has been executed, and the output is successfully executed. Thank you, ma'am.